Senior year. May God bless you, the gift of life. Happy birthday from Anthony, Katrina, and Suki. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Ate Glo. Wishing you good health. God bless.
Happy birthday, Glo.
Wishing you all the best. God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Glo.
Happy 60th birthday. May God bless you always and your family. Stay happy.
Hi Tita Glo, happy birthday. I miss you and I love you so much. See you pag uwi ko.
Happy birthday, Ate Glo. More birthdays to come. More cakes. More candles to blow. Sana healthy ka lagi. And now, senior citizen ka na. May 20% discount na. I hope to see you soon. God bless.
20% discount, Ate Glo. For blessings to come, for birthdays to come. God bless you more. Sana ate, huwag ka magbabago dahil simulan sa pool, naging mabuti ka sa amin, lalo na sa aking mga anak. Sana bigyan mo ka ng mahabang-mahabang ng buhay. Happy birthday ulit at kita-kita kits na lang.
Hello, Ate Glo. Wow, senior ka na pala. Congrats. Oh, magpapalibre ka na. May Jollibee na dito sa Luna Apayao kasi discounted ka na eh. Senior ka na eh. Wish ko lang sa'yo, Manang Glo. Wishing you good health, peace, happiness, love, and good health always. Happy 60th birthday, Manang Glo. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday Lula Glo, stay safe.
Happy birthday po, Tita Glo. Happy 60 birthday, Glo. Senior citizen ka lang.
Happy birthday Lula Glo.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama Lula.
Stay good health lagi. God bless.
God bless you. We
Love you.
Happy birthday po Mama Go. Love you.
Hi, Glo. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. More blessing, more wealth, more health. God bless you always. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Lola Glo. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Lola Glo.
Happy birthday.
Lola Glo.
Happy birthday to you. We love you.
Oh, gulat kayo, no? Binabati kita, Glo, sa 60th birthday mo. Welcome to Senior Club. Okay, happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Good health, good luck. No problem. And more shower of blessings to come. Enjoy and God bless. Yeah! Mabuhay!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Glo. 60 ka na. Welcome to the club. Wish ko sa'yo good health and long and happy life. Always. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, my dear sister Gloria Salvador. Wish you good luck, good health, long live, and always happy. Bye!